This is Ken at Tortoise Capital Sniper Trade of the Day for May 27th, 2026. So, yesterday and all last week, you've been watching us with the semiconductor swing trade and turbo trade executing in SOXL. That's the triple leveraged semiconductor index. So, you'll recall from yesterday's video, we did a series of swing trades that paid off. After the pullback, we got caught at two entries around the 170 and then the 180 time frame or price range. And then yesterday, there was a big gap up and a go, and so we had a series of entries intraday around the 215 range. Now, this morning, it gapped open to 237, and so that initiates our preserve 70% exit on a windfall profit like that. So I start from my earliest entry at 167-ish, stretch it to the top of the gap open, and I want to keep 70% of those gains, which means I have to exit positions somewhere around 218. The one that's really at risk is this one here. I have to get out of that before it goes below 215, otherwise that's a loss. So this thing opened at 235 and started selling off, and I end up exiting around 225 on this position. I still have these two positions open. However, my stop is going to be here at about 218. We'll see how that shapes up tomorrow. Could very easily have taken those today. And protected against the gap tonight, but I wanted to keep that position in play with those two. So we're still pretty deep in the money. However, this can be very volatile. I'll be watching how this opens tomorrow. So today that move looks something like this. If I zoom in now we're on 30-minute charts. These were the two entries from yesterday after the gap and then the COTA 2, and the decision was whether or not to hold here. I decided to. This was the last 90 minutes of the day, I should say. Here was the big gap up. And so now, and then price started to fail immediately. And that's where I initiate that keep 70%. So I need a stop at about 218 in order to preserve that move. So I end up taking the exit here at really about 234. Because it was halfway down to the top of the day and it was dropping like a stone. So I can't these two openings or these two entries here for a win. Now I'm tracking price. I considered briefly getting short here as it crossed the 60 regression line and the VWAP, but I elected not to. There was a short plan there for about 3 hours. I did try this one here on a like a 1-2-3 entry with rising lows and a pretty wide stop. It moved up. It could not even get to the VWAP and started to fail. And so I just scratched it there and I decided, let me see how this closes for the day before I decide what to do with the entries from down around that 170 range, which would be way back over here off the this entry and over here. So I'm still holding that position. It closed at the VWAP, so I'm feeling like that is probably the stationary price for a while. I will not let that go. I will not let the entry from 185 go below the low of the day. So we'll see where that opens up tomorrow. So we catch the runaway gift, reverting to just the longer term swing positions. And we're back to that longer term trading, but we were able to take advantage of the irrational exuberance and play it in a logical, disciplined manner. So, Ken at Tortoise Capital, keep your risk measured and your powder dry.